Hi friends, I have brought this very amazing green laser pointer for you today, and this is basically for the projection to point at desired targets. Just like you can use it in presentations, museum, tour guides, and even to pointing the stars and construction inspection. So this is very unique and it is amazing, and we'll see and unbox it to check what is inside there and how it works. So there are some instructions which are mentioned over here. You have to study these instructions very carefully, and how to use is also mentioned. Even the safety precautions is very important. That's written as do not look into the path of the laser beam and keep it out of children reach. यानी बच्चों की पास से आपको एकदम दूर रखना है इसको, बच्चों के पास बिल्कुल नहीं ले जाना है. अगर दे भी रहे आप बच्चों को तो भी आपको अंडर ऑब्जर्वेशन इसको उन्हें यूज़ करने के लिए देना है. तो इसको अनबॉक्स करते हैं और देखते हैं. इसकी पैकेजिंग बहुत अमेजिंग है. इसको आप ऐसे निकालेंगे इसमें से, तो इसका बहुत एक स्टर्डी सा बॉक्स है. यू कैन लुक एट इट एंड comes with a very nice packing also. Just take it out. Here is a button over here, और ये है इसका सारा how to work. Okay, so what you have to basically do is just press on this and check the amazing thing. 1 second, let me show you. This button is really very useful, and this thing it just you can just open it to use as a pointer. अगर आपको इसको pointer की तरह यूज़ करना है, इसमें एक बल्ब है, इसे दिखा हुआ है मेंशन, ठीक है, तो आप इसको as a pointer भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So as you can see that there is a button over here and which you have to press, and there is one this roller thingy which is moving on its own. I'm just doing this, I'm holding it and it's moving. Okay, so how it works, you have to just press this and see, can you see the glow, and you have to move this, so it will change its designs over there. Or it's a better view if I just turn on the lights, I mean turn off the lights, then you can see the better version of this. Just have to keep pressing this button and move this like that. Wow, it looks so very satisfying. See, you can make a disco really quick. And if you want to use it as a pointer, use it as a pointer, then you have to remove this part. You just have to, you will just keep moving it and it will be removed automatically. Okay, and now there is a button over here. You click the button again, and now you can see how sharp is it. You can point it at any presentation. You can use it in any like kind of, if you are showing stars, it gives a very amazing look at night also, and it is very useful basically for indoors and outdoors both. So grab this real quick. I'll give a link in the description so that you can buy if you want to. And how do you like this? Just let me know in the comment box. Okay, and subscribe if you are new to my channel so that you get these kind of amazing videos every second day or maybe every day. Thanks. One more thing which I left, which is very important, how do you put batteries and which batteries are required for this. So you just have to open it like a pen, right, where you put the refills, and there are the batteries. Okay, you have to put the batteries upside down. This side will go down here, and then again here, and then put it back, and it's refilled. Okay, and there you go. Thanks, bye.